Emis.
Emis!
Eto na.
Handa ng makisayaw at makisaya sa Sabado yan dito sa 8 Bulaga.
At sa mga waiters at waitresses, sila naman ang susubok sa pagkahinyo. Ito muna ang ating stewardess, pare. Stewardess
Saida.
Saida na nakahanda ng pumunta ng Amerika.
Wow.
Kasama si Jimmy.
What's the food?
Sinave kita,
for
Anjo.
today?
I prepared kakanin, sir. It's bibingka and cassava.
Uy! It's your favorite.
My favorite!
Bibingka.
Bibingka.
Bibingka ni
Saida.
Saida.
Is
Yeah.
your bibingka nice?
My bibingka is definitely nicer.
Wow, may definitely.
Hey, let's try the bibingka of Saida.
Yeah, come on,
Everybody, come here.
Hey, this is free for all, everybody. Come on. Is it yummy?
The bibingka of Saida is yummy. Did you try the
Huh?
bibingka of Ruby?
Ruby?
No quents. No quents.
No.
No good. But the bibingka of
It's
Saida
very
is...
high in cholesterol.
Yes.
The bibingka.
Uy!
Okay,
Thank you, Saida.
what's this?